off, I'll get my cucumber and peel it. Trying to peel it so that I don't want it green. That's why I'm peeling it off. I know the back is very healthy. You can decide to add the back to your own juice, but for this one, I just want to make the juice not kind of too much green. So that's why I'm peeling off the cucumber. And make sure you wash your cucumber before you start making the juice. And usually I get organic food. So after peeling, then I'll chop it off. Once that is done, put it aside, get my cucumber. Cucumber is very good. And the next one is the pineapple. I already peeled it. Now I'll chop it up. Not this one. Pineapple has bromelain. If you want to drink bromelain juice, make some pineapple juice for yourself and enjoy. And it's very packed with vitamin C, which helps to boost your immune system. So this aside. After peeling the pineapple, today I'll be adding beets. Beets has been shown by NIH to have antioxidants, which helps to boost your immune system as well. And for those who are struggling with acne, you can help to reduce the appearance of it by adding beets to your diet. And it also helps to reduce high blood pressure. So try and add some beets to your diet. For this one, we're also adding mint. Mint is very good. If you are used to like toothpaste, most companies use mint for the flavoring, and it's very healthy, especially for hormone balance and also medicinal as well. So after getting everything set up, we'll now start the blending. So we'll wait for it to blend and juice. Now that's enough. Stop it and get the juice. Oh my god, look at that. And this is what we have. Also take note that you can add sparkling water to your juice to make it make you feel like you're drinking soda. So this is it. This is our sparkling water. Put that up. Add it. You can add as much as you want to. And once you do that, stir it up. Tastes like I'm drinking soda after work. And for those who are struggling to drink water, you can just add cucumber and mint to your daily routine, and that will help you because cucumber has been shown to have electrolytes that keeps you hydrated, hence prevent you from being dehydrated. And if you become dehydrated, you'll have a lot of migraine or headache. I'm saying that out of experience. So try to Even if you don't like drinking water, you can just make cucumber and mint and just add orange to it or something, make it like flavorable for your own taste. And also the beets here helps a lot for people who are struggling with acne to get like a clear skin. So try and add beets to your drills as well. And did you know that beet has a component called betaine that has much antioxidant that is very helpful for your body to prevent you from inflammation like pericarditis. That's an inflammation of the heart. So for you to stay healthy and prevent your heart from being inflamed, why not try and add beets to your diet, which will help you to boost your immune system. And beet has also been shown to lower blood pressure. So for those struggling to lower the blood pressure, reduce your salt intake. Then as you're reducing the salt intake, add healthy components to your diet like adding beets and make a beet juice like the one we just did today. And that will go a long way to help your immune system and to keep you very secure in your health. I mean, your health is an asset. If you're not healthy, there are so many things that you'll be cheating yourself on. They can be your goals. What if you want to, say, go back to school, or even if you're pregnant, or you have a child and you want to stay long for that child, or even for your own self to fulfill your God-given talents and gifts. The world needs you, and for you to show yourself out there, you need to stay healthy. I'm just saying that to my own self too. It's just an encouragement for anyone struggling to stay healthy. This is just a simple way to stay healthy. Even after a long day, you can just come back and make a small juice. And enjoy with me. Um, until we meet again next time, stay tuned for I'll be making popsicles. Yes, popsicle is coming up next. We'll see how we can do popsicles, and enjoy. Take care of yourself and don't forget Jesus loves you and the world needs your gifts. This tastes good.